Nepal's vaccination status. The country so far has received 3.14 million doses and used 2.39 million of them. Nepal government's poor communication system has left many Nepalese confused about its vaccination campaign. The status of the country's stock of the doses and its plan if it is planning to procure more jabs against COVID-19. Back in January, Nepal became one of the first countries to launch its vaccination drive against the virus. Even as some West countries were struggling, the country was seeing a dramatic decline in the number of new cases. The KP Sharma Oli government acted triumphant as if it had already won the fight against the pandemic. Complacency coupled with negligence, missteps, poor governance then lead to sharp rise in the cases. The country has been overwhelmed by the pandemic. Nepal's health system is buckling under pressure. Hospitals are turning away patients because they lack beds and oxygens. Nepal's plan to procure millions of doses of vaccine is currently in the state of limbo. So let's talk about when did Nepal launch its vaccination drive. Nepal launched its vaccination drive on January 27 with the AstraZeneca type vaccine manufactured by India under the brand name of Covishield. The campaign was launched with the 1 million doses India had provided under grant assistance. At that time, the virus had claimed 2,017 lives and infected 2,70,092 across the country. Around 4,30,000 frontline workers, health workers, supporting staffers at health facilities, female community, health volunteers, security personnel, sanitation workers, elderly people living in care homes, and prisoners were listed as priority groups of vaccination. After the first round of the first phase was completed, the government said journalists and diplomatic staff could take the jabs. When the government announced that the first phase was completed on the March 5th, as many of 4,30,000 had received their first dose. So when was the second phase? From March 7 to March 15 in February, the government decided to buy 2 million doses of vaccine directly from the Serum Institute of India as $4 per dose. The delivery of first consignment was swift, as 1 million doses arrived on February 21, the day the second phase of vaccination was started. 3,48,000 doses of Covishield arrived in Nepal under the World Health Organization backed COVAX facility. The government said all the citizens above 65 years of age would be inoculated. Public response was quite encouraging. In the second phase, around 1.3 million people were inoculated across the country. So what about the Chinese vaccines? Nepal granted emergency use approval Sinopharm Verocell on February 15. China has promised 8 lakh doses of the Sinopharm vaccine under grant assistance. The Chinese vaccine arrived in Nepal on March 29. The second phase of vaccination drive had come to a halt as the Serum Institute had not supplied the remaining 1 million doses. After the arrival of Chinese vaccine, the government said the inoculation campaign will resume from April 7. Officials said those working in postal and telephone services, public transportation services, water supply and distribution, tourism sector, hotels and restaurant, production, sales and distribution of medicines, electric supplies, storage and transportation of consumer goods, as well as health workers who missed out in the first phase of the vaccination drive that began on January 27 will be vaccinated with the Chinese jabs. Vaccines were administered from the Dhulikhel Hospital, Bar Habise Hospital of Sindhupalchok and District Hospital in Nuwakot, Raswa, as well as several hospitals of Kathmandu, Lalitpur and Bhaktapur of the Kathmandu Valley. The government has announced that second dose of Chinese vaccine will be administered from the district from which the first dose was administered from May 16 to May 25. District health offices of respective district will publish the list of immunization centers soon. According to Dr. Jhalak Gautam, Chief of National Immunization Program, after essential workers aged between 18 and 59 years were vaccinated, authorities said those who age 40 to 15 years who are willing to inoculate can take the jabs from the various designated hospitals. Mismanagement, however, led to crowding. According to Health Minister, around 2,89,000 people were vaccinated with the Chinese Sinopharm jabs before the inoculated campaigns were halted. So at last, how many people have received their 2 doses? Although 4,30,000 people have received the first dose, only around 3,70,000 took their booster dose during the second dose vaccination campaign from April 20 to April 24 across the country. So what is the status of vaccine stock right now? Government officials say around 1 lakh doses of Covishield are at hundreds of health facilities across the country after some wastage. They say they have asked the health facilities to use the vaccine if their expiry date is nearing. Similarly, around 5 lakh doses of Chinese vaccine are in the government stock, according to officials. Of them, 1 lakh doses can be given to those who have not taken any shots. The remaining 4 lakh doses will be given to those who took the first dose, and there is some wastage also. Officials have not calculated the wastage yet. So when and where can people get their second dose of Chinese vaccine? The health ministry has said that the second dose of Chinese vaccine will be administered from May 16 to May 24. This time the immunization program will be organized at the health facilities which are not providing care to infected patients, as well as school, colleges and other public buildings. Respective health offices of Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, Lalitpur, Raswa, Nuwakot, Kabrapalachok and Sindhupalchok will publish a list of immunization centers soon, according to officials. And what about those 1.3 million people who took their first dose of Covishield between March 7 and March 15? The government does not know. These people need to take their booster dose between May 16 to May 29. The government has already said that under the present circumstances, bringing in more vaccine from India is almost impossible. After placing an order for 2 million doses, the government was planning to procure an additional 5 million doses from the Serum Institute. However, after cases started to rise, India put a hold on the export of Covishield. Serum has not supplied the remaining 1 million doses, for which Nepal has already paid. Officials were expecting to receive some dose under the COVAX facility by the end of the May, but they told the Post that they have been informed that the supply will be delayed. The supply could be pushed further to June, an official said. So at last, what is the vaccine registration form? The Health Ministry has prepared an online vaccination registration form where members of public have to update their details. Once people fill up this, they will be permanently registered. Officials said such registration will have authorities know the exact status of immunization program.